So where did you mostly fish at?
Pyramid Lake. That's my home lake.
Oh, Pyramid?
So, yeah, I used to fish tournaments. I had a team partner, and we fished mostly Pyramid, Castaic, also Piru a little bit.
Okay,
but
all
like
right.
local lakes.
Yeah. All right, this looks pretty good. Looks good.
This thing's been up in NorCal though. We used to fish like in our Tournament of Champions, which was up in Clear Lake, if you know where that
Okay,
is.
yeah.
Um,
Never fished it, but
Huge
it's on the
bass,
it's
bro.
on the it's
like
on
he
the
would come
list.
with like a 25-pound bag, and you think he was like the man, and then guys are coming with like 36, and you're like,
Yeah.
oh my god,
Monsters up there.
in there, yeah.
Yeah. Buddy of mine, well, somebody I used to know used to go up there a lot with and fish for crappie.
Crappie.